Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the two different unique style of this premium quality luxurious handmade craftsmanship of this very pretty lightweighted breathable fabric soft silk material. This very premium quality soft silk material saree you received at just ₹1,695. Free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and you can visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can explore more than 4,500 plus designs in a one stop destination. Our application also live in Android and iOS device, so must be download our application and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND and must be subscribe our YouTube channel as Vastranand. Let's start the video. In first product you received the very pretty, the top trending, most loved product, purple with pink color combination, the premium quality, lightweighted, soft silk material with elegant touch up of this Kanjivaram handmade craftsmanship in a semi-style designs entirely border part. Let me show you the full pallu detailing of this saree. Here you can see the pink color combination, the very pretty rich pallu with a golden zari weaves with elegant pan buttis in entirely pallu parts with a black color combination, the rest of the tassels part. With entire the body you receive the very pretty the pan designs in a golden zari weaves with entire the border part with a pink color combination, the contrast kanchi border part. Let me show you the closely of this very luxurious the weaving in entire the border as well as in body. Here you can see the close up of this border part. The saree you received at just ₹1,695, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. With a pink color combination, the full brocade with golden zari fusion, the premium quality blouse piece. Our customer care number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime with any language. We are providing total 6 multi-language support team. Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support team we are providing in our customer care executive number, and if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available in our customer care number. So must be booked one day before via customer care number. I will repeat our customer care number 8154000063, and you can buy our entire collection via our website www.vastranand.in. Here you can see the second pretty color, light chocolatey brown color combination with the Sona Chandi fusions, the lotus art booty with elegant entire the body with the same the copper zari waves with a golden zari fusions, the dual tar used to make this premium quality rich pallu with a black color combination, the resin the tassels part with the same Sona Chandi fusions in entire the border as well as in body part. This premium quality lightweighted soft silk saree you received at just ₹1,695, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and you can use roughly no issue this rough and tough premium quality soft silk saree, and you can dry clean also no issue, and you can machine wash also then no issue for this premium quality sustainable fabric with a plain brown color combination with a self weaving in entirety blouse piece. Let me show you closely. Here you can see the self weaving in entirety blouse piece. The saree you received at just ₹1,695, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Vastram Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at vastranand.in.